Hi, and welcome to my skincare channel. Today we talk about skin tags. You know, those miracle skin tag cures you're trying are creating more of them. Discover the shocking root cause and natural protocol that eliminates them permanently without dangerous DIY disasters. Please listen to me well. If you're watching this video right now, chances are you have those annoying little bumps hanging off your neck, armpits, or groin area that are driving you absolutely insane. And here's what's going to shock you. Everything you think you know about getting rid of skin tags is probably making them multiply like rabbits. I'm talking about those so-called miracle cures, flooding social media right now. You know the ones? People tying dental floss around skin tags, shooting rubber bands at them like some twisted carnival game. Or slathering apple cider vinegar on everything like it's some magical potion. But here's the brutal truth that nobody wants to tell you. These methods are not just useless. They're actually creating more skin tags on your body. Just last week, I had a client, let's call her Sarah, who came to me in absolute panic. She had tried that viral TikTok trick where you tie dental floss around skin tags. What happened next will make your skin crawl. The tissue didn't fall off. It turned black, got infected, and spread to her entire neck area. She ended up in the emergency room with a serious bacterial infection that cost her over $3,000 to treat. But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to discover the real reason your skin tags keep multiplying, and the natural solution that actually addresses the root cause instead of just treating the symptoms. Here's what your dermatologist isn't telling you about skin tags. They're not just random growths that appear out of nowhere. They're actually warning signs that your body is screaming for help, and you've been ignoring every single red flag. Those innocent-looking little bumps are called acrochordins. And they're your body's way of telling you that something is seriously wrong with your metabolic system. But instead of listening to your body, what are you doing? You're probably wearing tight necklaces, restrictive clothing, and wondering why these things keep popping up everywhere. Let me tell you about another client, Maria, who was getting skin tags faster than she could count them. She was doing everything the internet told her to do, cutting them off with nail scissors, burning them with tea tree oil, even trying that dangerous black salve that people are raving about online. But here's the kicker. She was getting 3 new ones for every one she removed. The real problem? Maria had insulin resistance and didn't even know it. Her body was producing excess insulin, an anabolic hormone that literally tells your cells to grow. So every time she removed a skin tag without addressing the underlying cause, her body just created more to replace them. This is exactly why those surface-level treatments you're trying are failing miserably. You're treating the symptom while feeding the root cause every single day through your lifestyle choices. But wait, it gets worse, much worse. Those home remedies you've been trying are not just ineffective, they're actually dangerous and could be setting you up for permanent scarring or even skin cancer misdiagnosis. Let me share something that will make you never want to touch another DIY skin tag removal video again. I recently worked with a woman named Lisa who thought she was being smart by using apple cider vinegar on what she assumed was a skin tag on her shoulder. She followed some YouTube guru's advice religiously, soaking cotton balls, leaving them overnight, waiting for the magic to happen. 3 weeks later, that skin tag hadn't budged. Why? Because it wasn't a skin tag at all. It was actually an early-stage skin cancer. By the time she came to see a professional, the acid from the vinegar had damaged the surrounding healthy tissue, making proper diagnosis and treatment much more complicated. And here's the part that should terrify you. Skin tags can be confused with neurofibromas, cherry angiomas, even squamous cell carcinomas. That innocent little bump you're about to attack with household products could be something that requires immediate medical attention. But even if it is just a skin tag, those harsh treatments are creating microtrauma to your skin, triggering more inflammation, and guess what inflammation does? It creates the perfect environment for even more skin tags to develop. You're literally creating a vicious cycle where every solution you try is making your problem 10 times worse. And the skincare industry is laughing all the way to the bank while you suffer. Now here's where everything changes. And I'm about to share something that most people in the skincare industry don't want you to know because it's too simple and too inexpensive for them to profit from. The real solution isn't about attacking the skin tags themselves. It's about addressing the 3 root causes that are creating them in the first place. And once you understand this breakthrough approach, you'll never waste another penny on those useless topical treatments again. First root cause, metabolic dysfunction. Your skin tags are directly connected to your insulin levels and metabolic health. When your body becomes resistant to insulin, it starts producing excess amounts, and insulin is what we call an anabolic hormone. It literally tells your cells to grow and multiply. Second root cause, chronic inflammation triggered by friction and hormonal imbalances. Every time you wear tight clothing, jewelry, or even sleep in certain positions, you're creating microtrauma that signals your body to produce more tissue in those areas. Third root cause, and this one will shock you, viral activity, specifically HPV. Research shows that 95% of people carry HPV. And when your immune system is compromised by stress, poor nutrition, or hormonal imbalances, these viruses can trigger abnormal tissue growth. But here's the game-changing part. There's a completely natural, holistic protocol that addresses all 3 root causes simultaneously. And it doesn't involve dangerous acids, surgical procedures, or expensive dermatologist visits that cost hundreds of dollars. The protocol I'm about to share has helped hundreds of my clients eliminate skin tags naturally while preventing new ones from forming. And it's based on 3 powerful natural compounds that work synergistically to restore your body's natural balance. Component 1, therapeutic-grade iodine, specifically povidone iodine. But not the way those dangerous internet tutorials tell you to use it. You're going to use just 1 drop mixed with fresh crushed garlic to create a targeted treatment that breaks down the abnormal tissue without damaging surrounding skin. Here's exactly how to do this safely. Crush 1 fresh garlic clove to release the allicin. This is the active compound that has been scientifically proven to inhibit abnormal cell growth. Mix this with exactly 1 drop of povidone iodine. Apply it directly to the skin tag with a cotton swab. Cover with a small bandage. And leave for exactly 1 hour before washing off with mild soap and water. The garlic provides the allicin that targets the viral component, while the iodine breaks down the excess tissue cells. But here's the crucial part. You must protect the surrounding skin with a barrier of coconut oil to prevent irritation. Component 2, and this is where the magic happens. You need to support your immune system's natural killer cells. These are the specialized immune cells that target both viral activity and abnormal tissue growth. The most effective natural compound for this is something called a HCC active hexose-correlated compound. This isn't some trendy supplement. This is backed by over 100 clinical studies showing it can dramatically increase your natural killer cell activity by up to 300%. This means your body can naturally clear the HPV. That's contributing to skin tag formation while preventing new ones from developing. Component 3, metabolic restoration through targeted nutrition. You need to reduce those insulin spikes that are feeding the growth of skin tags. This means eliminating refined carbohydrates, increasing your vitamin D levels, and ensuring adequate zinc intake to support immune function. One of my clients, Jennifer, followed this exact protocol and saw her existing skin tags shrink and disappear within 2 weeks. And she hasn't had a new one form in over 8 months. The results from this natural protocol are nothing short of extraordinary. And I want to share some real client experiences that will show you exactly what's possible when you address skin tags the right way. Remember Sarah from the beginning of this video? The one who ended up in the emergency room after trying that dangerous dental floss method? Well, 6 months later, she decided to give my natural protocol a try. Within the first week, she noticed her existing skin tags starting to soften and shrink. By week 3, most of them had completely disappeared, leaving smooth, healthy skin with no scarring whatsoever. But here's the best part. Sarah also reported improvements she wasn't expecting. Her energy levels increased, her sleep quality improved, and she even lost 12 pounds without trying. Why? Because we addressed the underlying metabolic dysfunction that was causing the skin tags in the first place. Then there's Michael, a 42-year-old executive who had dozens of skin tags around his neck from years of wearing tight dress shirts and ties. He was so self-conscious that he stopped going to the gym and even avoided intimate situations with his wife. After following the protocol for just 4 weeks, not only were his skin tags gone, but his confidence was completely restored. The most dramatic case was Patricia, who had been dealing with skin tags for over 15 years. She had tried every dermatologist treatment available: cryotherapy, surgical removal, even laser treatments, spending over $2,000 with only temporary results, because the skin tags always came back. After implementing this natural approach, Patricia not only eliminated all existing skin tags, but hasn't had a single new one appear in over a year. She went from having treatments every few months to having completely clear, healthy skin using nothing but natural compounds that cost less than $30 total. The key difference: we weren't just removing the visible symptoms. We were restoring her body's natural ability to prevent abnormal tissue growth at the cellular level. And here's something fascinating. Many of my clients report that other skin issues start improving too. Age spots fade, skin texture becomes smoother, and overall skin health dramatically improves. This happens because we're supporting the body's natural healing mechanisms, instead of attacking them with harsh chemicals and procedures. If you've made it this far in the video, you're obviously serious about solving your skin tag problem once and for all. And I want to make sure you have everything you need to succeed with this natural protocol. But before I wrap up, I need to address something important. The information I've shared today goes against everything the mainstream skincare industry wants you to believe. They profit from your repeated visits, expensive treatments, and ongoing skin problems. A simple, inexpensive solution that actually works isn't good for their business model. That's exactly why videos like this often get suppressed or taken down, because they threaten industries worth billions of dollars. So if this information has been helpful, I need your help to make sure it reaches the people who desperately need it. Hit that like button right now to tell the algorithm that this content matters. This simple action helps push this video to more people who are struggling with the same issues you've been facing. And here's something crucial. Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because I regularly share natural solutions for skin and hair problems that you won't find anywhere else. The skincare industry doesn't want you to know these methods exist. So staying connected with this channel might be your only way to access this life-changing information. I also want to hear about your results. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've tried this protocol and what changes you're experiencing. Your success story could be exactly what someone else needs to hear to finally take action on their skin health. Remember, those skin tags aren't just a cosmetic inconvenience. They're your body's way of telling you that something needs attention. So be careful, and if you don't trust it, see a doctor. By addressing the root causes naturally, you're not just eliminating skin tags. You're supporting your overall health and preventing future problems. The choice is yours. You can continue wasting money on dangerous DIY treatments and expensive dermatologist visits that only treat symptoms. Or you can take control of your skin health using the power of natural compounds that work with your body instead of against it. Your skin is waiting for you to make the right choice. What will it be? Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video, where we'll be discussing the natural solution for age spots that the anti-aging industry definitely doesn't want you to know about. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.